Hi, my marvelous chefs. Welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of recipes from eggs to eggceptional. Today we are going to prepare a delicious, quick and easy grouper fish fillet with an olive tapenade. For this dish, you're going to need a grouper fillet, but really any fish fillet will do, olive oil, olives, parsley, salt and pepper. In this video, I'm using Kalamata olives, but you can use any olives you like. Or you can totally skip the olives too. Grouper is delicious by itself with just a little olive oil, salt, and pepper. So let's get cooking. I bake most fish, especially fillets that don't have skin on them, because frying fish without skin tends to overcook. The first thing I do is pat each side of the fillet dry with a paper towel. Then I have this olive oil spritzer sprayer that allows me to spray on olive oil without having to rub it in with my hands. And it makes sure I don't use too much olive oil. And then I brush it in with either a brush or my hands. But feel free to coat it yourself however you choose. Then hit each side with salt and pepper. Next, crush some olives with the backside of a spoon or the flat side of a knife. And then roughly chop them with that knife. I smush them down first to avoid trying to cut round olives that tend to roll all over the place. It's just not safe. Next, spread the olives over the fillets. Then, sprinkle on some parsley. I'm using dried parsley, but fresh parsley would be ideal. Lastly, bake it in the oven. I failed to capture this part on video, but you're not missing much. The temperature and the length of time depends upon the size of the fillets and your own oven. I usually cook these at 400 degrees for about 12 minutes. Use a thermometer. Fish is usually done at 145 degrees Fahrenheit or 63 degrees Celsius. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Have a great day. If you all liked this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat!